Hi, let me briefly explain the electrical components of our pergola. The supplied electrical equipment includes a power supply unit, an extension cable, a control box, a remote control, an electric drive and 2 LED strips. The control unit has labeled connections for the LED lighting as well as the roof louvre drive and is prepared for up to 3 electric sun blinds. Ensure the correct plug-in direction when connecting by following the arrows marked on the plugs. Once the components have been correctly installed in the pergola, the remote control must be prepared. To do so, please remove the protective film from the battery compartment. A brief explanation of the remote control. There are 4 buttons for operation. Lighting button with a lamp symbol, drive motion button with the M symbol, up button and down button. There are also 5 channels that can be controlled individually. Channel 1 is intended for the lighting. This channel can be accessed by pressing the lighting button. Channels 2 to 5 are designed for the drives. You may select and switch through each of them by pressing the motion button. Channel 2 is intended for the drive of the roof louvres. Channels 3 to 5 are designed for the electric sun blinds. The currently selected channel is always indicated by the corresponding LED display lighting up. Important note: the remote control must be paired with the control unit within the first 10 seconds of connecting the power supply unit to the socket. Therefore, connect the power and immediately press and hold the button with the light symbol for 3 seconds. If the connection was successful, channel 3 and the LED light will flash twice. If pairing was not successful, disconnect the power supply, wait 1 minute and repeat the procedure. Pressing the lighting button switches from any previously set channel to channel 1. The lighting can be switched on and off with further clicks on this button. The light's brightness can be adjusted by using the arrow buttons. Short clicks on the up and down buttons switch the light in predefined levels. By pressing and holding the buttons, the lighting can be continuously adjusted. By pressing the motion button, you can select the different drive channels. The first click indicates which channel is active. Further clicks switch through channels 2 to 5. Pressing the lighting button switches to channel 1. If you then press the motion button again, you switch back to the last selected drive channel. In channel 2, the roof louvres can be adjusted as required using the arrow buttons. A short click moves the drive to the end positions. By pressing and holding the button, the drive moves in the desired direction for as long as the button remains pressed. A reset can be carried out by simultaneously pressing and holding the lighting button and the up button for 3 seconds. A successful reset is indicated by channel 3 and the LED lighting flashing twice. I wish you a great time with your Biohort Pergola.